Okay, so this is just a short final video on this, how to make this journal. I just want to give you, just in case anybody is following me along, just to give you a few measurements of the tags and things that I've made. There is a proper flip through. I think it should come before this series of how-to videos, but you'll find that out. You'll be able to see that. So this tag I used handmade paper over card, and it's 3 inches by 5 1/4. This is just cut from the paper. I stitched this on first and then backed it on card and stitched round the card. So that was the tag. It's just some chiffon ribbon in the top, just looped through. This is an envelope that I've cut from the kit. These are, this is paper that's, sorry, this is a print, this is a printout from the kit, but I've printed it onto what I call layout paper. So it's very thin copy paper, similar to newsprint. And this is one of the little envelopes from the seed packet part of the kit. If I've done any more tags, I'm sure I have. This tag I've made, let's give you a measurement. So it's 3 inches by 6 inches. I probably ideally would have done the first one at 6 inches. I don't know why I did it at 5 1/4. So this is just backed with some vintage paper, some scrapbook paper. There's a little bit, a scrap here from a vintage hook and eye card. The lady on here is from a sewing pattern, the front of a sewing pattern. It's actually a printout, and I'm really sorry, I can't remember where I got that from. But you could use an original. I just didn't have the colours that I wanted. This is a little bit of fabric. I've pinned a small safety pin through it, glued it onto the card, and then put some lettering. I've cut that from a magazine, I think, if I remember rightly. It's another envelope that I've made using the envelope scoreboard from WR Memory Keepers, and this is, so it's scrapbook paper and from the kit. This journal card measures 4 inches by 6 inches. And obviously it's a flower fairy image from quite a large book. This little card, this little slide is a die cut that I've got. I think I got it from AliExpress before I stopped shopping with them. But I looked for somebody else recently and I don't think they do it anymore. Another envelope from the kit. This time I stitched around it. And then in here I've got another rag paper tag, handmade paper, so that's 6 inches by 3 inches. And this is part of whale tail punch, just to put a stopper at the bottom. Use a half circle if you haven't got that punch. That's made in the same way as the previous tag. And that's the lot. So that's the final part. Put a few charms in there as well, sewing charms. And obviously you can see, as I said, you can see the full flip through in a separate video. It's just got, oh, I see that's got caught around there. There we go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.